Hi guys, good morning. So I am back. Yes, I'm officially back, guys. So turn on your notifications, subscribe to the channel, all of that jazz, because I am officially back. I had to take a break because I got really busy, and then AEP was like right there, front and center, and then my son broke his collarbone. A lot of things happened. I did a video on my son's recovery and all of that, just in case someone out there need to watch that video. Maybe their child broke their collarbone or whatever. So I do have that video out there, and I'm excited to say that I am back, guys. I have so many things to share with you guys. And I promise I'm here to be consistent again. I really miss making these videos. I have so much to share and do and all of that jazz. Today's going to be a very busy day for me. It is Monday. It's December. What day is today? Almost Christmas time, guys. How's your Christmas going, guys? Your Christmas month, I should say. It's not Christmas quite yet. Today is December the 19th. December the 19th, okay? So anyways, yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and get my day going. Share my day with you guys like I've been doing on these vlogs. Just wanted to say I'm back. And also, I am hiring, guys. I'm officially hiring. Yes, so if you live in the Leesburg area, Leesburg, Florida, somewhere near here, Tavares, Eustis, Mount Dora, if you're willing to drive here, So yeah, I'm hiring. So send me your resume. It is a W-2 job. It's a job, okay? It's not an independent position. It's for you to work with the agency and all of that fun stuff. So yeah, we're growing, we're expanding, we're hiring, we're doing all that good stuff, guys. So yeah, send over your resume to helpmeagentpatricia@gmail.com. So anyways, we have some things that we have to prepare for. So one of those things is, let me show you. So we are going to have a senior food drive for the holidays. So yes, guys. So December the 22nd from 1 to 2, we will be giving out grocery bags to seniors. Alrighty, guys. So we are going to be giving away a holiday bag of groceries to seniors. I do not know why I keep saying grocery bags. It's not grocery bags. It is a bag of groceries. So yeah, had to correct that. Sponsored by Centerwell and yours and truly, your girl, at where? The Medicare Resource Center. Yes. So anyways, we're going to be getting that prepared. So I have to pass out these flyers. I passed out a lot on Friday. And then I ordered these cards right here that I'm going to add into the grocery bags. Let me open it so that way I can show you guys what's in it. Hold on. Alrighty. So
time's been moving slowly, so we already in.
And here they go. Oh, they don't have a sheen. Okay, still looks good. So these are what I have, and they will go in the grocery bags. And then I'm going to put some at the desk, so that way, because sometimes people ask for something with my information on it besides business cards. So these will also go over here. Like so. Here. When I hire my receptionist, so all this stuff would not be here anymore when I hire my receptionist. But These are my business cards. They are laminated. I always say laminated. They are magnetic. Okay, so that's that. So anyways, alrighty guys. Alrighty guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and look at my calendar and see what is in store for me today. So let's do it. Let's look at the calendar, guys. And over here I have my calendar. Alrighty, guys, so I'm in front of my calendar every morning. That's the first thing I do. I look at my calendar. Sometimes I have to take a picture of my calendar so that way I can know what's going on. If someone, you know, needed for me to schedule something, say like after work hours, at least I have a picture of it. So anyway, so this morning I have a 10 a.m. appointment via phone, helping one of my current clients apply for food stamps. I was the original person that helped her apply, so we just have to reapply. And then I have a 1:30 appointment for one of my clients. She has short-term health insurance, and now it's time for her to renew her plan, or she wants to do something else, or whatever the case may be. So we're going to go ahead and call her about that. And over here you can't really see, but I have like all these let me show you what it is. Hold on. So over here right next to my calendar, you can't really see it. It does have some personal information on there, but it is this form that I created. So when someone calls, this is usually for someone that's calling. A lot of times it's someone that's turning 65 and they want to go ahead and come in for like a presentation, because I do one-on-one presentations, Medicare Advantage versus Medicare Supplement, how to get into Medicare and all of that jazz for someone turning 65. So anyways, yes, so I have this that when we get the information, when they call, we go ahead and put it on the board. So if they are coming in recently, like the recent month, we put them on the calendar. If they're coming in like a month later or whatever the case may be, then we put it on the wall. And then like when I renew this calendar for January, I'll look at all my January people that's coming in January, and then I'll transfer them over here. And then I have notes on here, like I say, like for example, let's see. I have someone right here. It says guidance through Medicare process, just got his Medicare cards. And his next appointment is January the 3rd at 9 a.m. His original appointment was December the 6th. He's turning 65. So his next appointment for January the 3rd, he's going to go ahead and select his plan, because that's 3 months before his birthday. He can go ahead and enroll. And he wants to get on a Medicare Advantage plan. So that's that. So that's how that works. So yeah, guys, that's my little system right now. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get some stuff done before my 10 a.m. appointment. It's about 8:30. My office opens at 9. I like to get here 30 minutes early just to get things situated. If I need to clean the bathroom or mop the floor or whatever the case may be, clean the windows, answer emails before I actually open. Okay? So anyways, I just got a call, and it's a couple new to Medicare. They're still working, so they're coming in this afternoon at 3 p.m. So I would do the whole presentation with them, walk them through everything. One of the things the husband asked me is there a fee for my services? And of course, there's no fee. And I'll explain all that to him when he comes in. My thing is, you know, if I sit down with someone and I consult them and I guide them, just use my services. That's all I ask. Use my services. If you're going to go ahead and go with the supplement plan, use me. If you're going to go with the Medicare Advantage plan, use me, because that's how I get paid. So that's that for now. I have to call one of my carriers. I have a client that needs to find a new primary physician, and she also needs to find an OBGYN. But when I go on to look for providers, the list of choices I have for the network is a little off, like the name is a little off. So I'm going to go ahead and call the carrier for that and get her a list of new primary physicians she could look up and go ahead and select. Go ahead and go on the site.
Thank you for holding. All of our agents are currently busy assisting other customers. Please hold.
Oh, my phone is ringing. All right, let me go answer my business phone. All right, let me hang up here and then I'll call back. So I told you guys it's Christmas time, right? So look at what one of my clients got me. Isn't this so cute? Yeah, one of my clients got me that. Thought it was so cute. The snowmans. And the little kids playing, the little snow kids playing around the snowman. Isn't that cute? Alrighty guys, get back to work now. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea. I already have the tea bag in here with the water. And I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. And I'm gonna add some creamer as well. I would not be drinking this creamer after I'm done with this bottle because it caused me to gain so much weight. It's so delicious, but I can't do it. So that's my tea. Guess I could go ahead and take the tea bag out. So if you hear any noise, it's because I have my heater on because it's cold as heck. And I love to be warm. So anyways, right now I'm just going to go ahead and respond to some emails before my 10 o'clock appointment. Okay? This tea is so good. It is so good. So good. Alrighty guys, so it is 10 a.m. So now it's time for me to go ahead and call my client for her 10 o'clock appointment, and we're going to go ahead and renew her food stamps. I'm going to show you guys the website that I use to help my clients enroll for food stamps and for Medicaid as well. The Medicaid help with the Part B premium. If they apply for Medicaid and they get approved, they don't have to pay for Part B for Medicare. And also they could get on dual plans to get extra benefits as well. So this is the site that I use. Let me show you guys. I am like 1 minute late. All right, so this is the site that I use, and this is for Florida. I literally just helped someone enroll in Medicaid in another state. I'm trying to remember what state it was. I believe it was Tennessee. Yes, it was Tennessee. And I have to just go ahead and just see if she got approved. But I usually only do it for my home state, which is Florida. And this is the site that I use, Access Florida. So anyways, I'm going to call her right now and get her going, okay?
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the
Alrighty guys, I am done for the day. It's been a long day. My 3 o'clock appointment lasted 2 hours. New to Medicare presentation, and then after that I had a call right after that at 5 for a life insurance quote for a his and her. I'm done closing out the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. It is after 5:30. I am out. Thanks for watching guys. Peace and love. Bye.